material. Like you can assume like snake. Yeah? Snake. You stop the. What is called? Skin.
Saw Kazakh.
Have you seen snake? Snake not edible bigger. The same way. So Diksha Kali. Diksha Kali means the time of Diksha. Or the Diksha is now Diksha is on the process going on this way. Huh? Now Diksha not complete, is on the process. Understand? Diksha will be complete at the stage of Bhagavad. And you took admission in the school. That time you are saying, I am student. Huh? When you admitted in the school and registered your name, school, that time you are saying student. But this, your Shiksha, everything will be complete. What is it? When you finish, when you get the degree of and university. Understand? University. This is important. This. And one who admitted in the school, and just also he is saying student, or one who performing MA PhD in university, he is also saying I am student. But both student are not same level. Students is the way. When you receive that doctorate degree, then you will be all completed. In the same way, when you receive Diksha Mantra, that your name also registers this way. Or if you fall down, then your number, your name is also what? Removed. This is true or wrong? Sometimes, if you not go to school or any bad things, then your name also what? Kicked out from the name of the register of the school. These rules are not. If you not follow the rules of the school, then school will be what? Kicked out. Kicked out and your name will be also what? Removed. Chalo. This is true or wrong? In the same way. Now just you register your name, okay. Tata, bye bye. Okay, no need to go to school, no follow the rules of the school. So the same way in our spiritual life also this way. Your name, you register your name, this is true. And then you receive Harinam Diksha from Guru, that time your name on the list. Oh, listen or not? Listen, sit down. And when you receive Diksha Mantra from Guru, your name on the list. But if you not follow, then your name also removed. This is also this. So same way our spiritual life was this. So Diksha Kali Shishya Kare Atma Samarpan. Atma Samarpan. and at the time of Diksha. Here Diksha means Paramarthik Diksha. First Lokik Diksha, then Paramarthik Diksha. And then slowly you शिष्य करे सही काले कृष्ण तारे करे आत्मसमर्पण. दीक्षा काले शिष्य करे आत्मसमर्पण. And that's it. सही काले कृष्ण तारे करे आत्मसमर्पण. Then Krishna also accepts. And Jiva Goswami Pad give an example in Sandarbha. If you put the iron put in the fire, put in the iron put in the fire. At a time the iron will not become hot, and need couple minute, couple seconds this way. This is too wrong. This is all. And step by step, then after 10-15 minutes, that iron will become red. That time red iron can burn everything. In the same way, you receive Diksha mantra. This is true. But when you performing process is going on, this is doing bhajan and sadhana, develop, then slowly you receive transcendental mode, transcendental body. Understand? When your transcendental body coming, then material body automatically fall down. As like Narad Rishi he told. You read Narad Katha. Narad Rishi told this. One day, I gave up my material body and attained to Golok Vrindavan with my transcendental body. Just I gave example. Snake. You understand? Snake slowly give up and gives up his skin and coming out. In the same way, sadhaka, performing bhajan sadhana, then in transcendent body coming and matured, manifest, then automatically material body go ahead. Understand? As like gopis, they are also saying in Srimad Bhagavatam. What the slok? Dhuta Antargihita. The gopis, when they heard the sound of the flutes of Govinda, then some gopis, they cannot come out from their house because their husband stopped, because their bhajan sadhana not mature. But they felt pang of separation from Krishna and by Yogmaya, and that time they attained to Krishna. But how? Because Krishna arranged with them. And what is the slok? Viraha, with their separation. Just I forget the slokas. And with their viraha. Viraha means separation. Viraha rup agni. Fire of separation. And then they give up their material body and attain to Krishna with their transcendental body. Understand? This is the process. Understand this? Why Raghunanda? You are not listening Hari Katha? Blah, 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 blah. What did I say, Pala? You are not listening. If you are not listening, so how to remove anarthas from your heart? At the time of Hari Katha, you listen, not your blah, blah, blah. Actually, one kind of offense also, aparat. That means you neglect Krishna Katha. Understand? What did he say? Fala.
He said that
Fala português.
então ele está explicando como algumas gopis elas não puderam se encontrar diretamente com Krishna porque os maridos delas impediram elas de se encontrar com Krishna. Mas por um arranjo de Yoga Maya, esse símbolo.
Now that gopi, that is sadhana siddha gopi, not nitya
Gopis
siddha.
elas são sadhana siddha, né? Então elas estavam no corpo material ainda, mas por sentir esse fogo da separação, queimou tudo que elas tinham ainda que impedir elas de poder se encontrar com Krishna, e elas alcançaram o corpo transcendental e assim puderam se encontrar com Krishna.
So the Diksha Kale, as the Kali, you use this word, Diksha Kale. Kali means during the time of Diksha. But Diksha is not one day completed. And on the process, step by step going on this. Understand? Diksha Kale. Diksha Kale, Shishya Kare, Atma Samarpan. Atma Samarpan, I surrender to Guru. Sahi Kale Krishna Tare Kare Atma Samarpan. Then Krishna accepts him. And Sei Dhya Hoitar Chidanandamaya. Then his body will become transcendental. That means he received his transcendental constituent form, Siddha Deha. As you have that potential and slowly mature. This is that process. You have that the potential, and as like potential inside the seed. And if the potential not inside the seed will not sprout. They are wrong. So you have, but with the listen Hari Katha, and that potential will be what? Slowly sprout, mature. Then slowly. And not at a time, everything, step by step. So saying, Diksha Kale, Shishya Kare, Atma Samarpan. First, Atma Samarpan. I completely surrender to Guru and Krishna. Atma Samarpan. Saying, Atma Nivedan, Tvapade Kori, Hoinu Parama Sukhi. Hare Dukha Dure Gelo, Chintana Rohilo, Chodike Ananda Dekhi. Asuko Abhaya, Amrita Adharo, Tahate Chor Tomar Charanadaya. Tahate Ekon Visrama Lobhya, Charuno Bhavira Bhai. Bhakti and Atma Nivedan, Tuapade Kori, Hoinu Parama Sukhi. Hare Dukha Dure Gelo, Chintana Rohilo, Chodike Ananda Dekhi. Asuko Abhay Amrita Adhar, Tomaro Charanadaya. Tahate Ekon Visrama Lobhya, Charuno Bhavira Bhai. Read the meaning. Portuguese, follow. Now, Atma Nivedan, Tuapade, Atma Samarpan is. Atma Nivedan means Atma Samarpan.
Tendo rendido a minha alma aos seus pés de lótus, eu estou completamente feliz. Toda a tristeza e sofrimento partiu e nada mais disso está no meu coração. Eu só vejo bem-aventurança vindo das 4 direções.
Finish. Asako Abhay Amrita Adhar Tomara Charana.
Os 2 pés de lótus são os recipientes do néctar que pode dar a liberdade de lamentação e medo. Agora, por tomar o refúgio deles, eu abandonei o medo da existência mundana.
Understand? So this is the process. Atma Samarpan. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained it. Again Bhaktivinoda, what is saying? Now you slokas, a kirtan ho rahe. Sarvashra tomar charane sopiya padichut. No, this is another. Manasa deha geha joki chumora or pintua pade nanda kisura. Manasa deha geha joki chumora. Manasa, what is the meaning? For
Meu corpo, minha família e o que qualquer outra coisa que eu tenha, eu rendi aos seus pés de lótus, ó jovem filho de Nanda. Everything?
Manasa Dehagya Yogichumoro Urpinutva Pade Nanda Kishore. This is called the word Atma Nivedan, Atma Samarpan. Because here the Atma Samarpan, Dikha Kali Sisya Kare Atma Samarpan. Atma Samarpan is I offer myself, lotus feet of Guru and Krishna. And then Krishna accepts everything. Manasa Deha Gaya Yogichumoro. Manasa means my mind. Manasa Deha, Deha means my body. Geha, my house. And which thing are related with my body, mind, house, everything, even cats, dogs, everything belongs to Krishna. That time you cannot say, this is this cat, but this dog belongs to me. This dog belongs to Krishna. Gurudev, sab kuch tumhar, charan duti. You know this story? Yes. Gurudev, everything belongs to you, but your lotus feet are mine. Saying them, this is also cheating propensity. Understand? No. This is true. The manasa deha gya jokuchum. And everything belongs to you. Understand? Not so easy to surrender. Sarvadharman Parityaja surrender. The surrender is not so easy. But we are trying. We are saying, okay, you are so nice. You are trying or not? I believe. And one life you are trying how to surrender, how to surrender. Understand these things. Because all you are, what is called? A ripened bamboo. You know ripened bamboo means? Those bamboos are very mature, old bamboo. Cannot bend. Old bamboo. Even bamboo cannot bend. And if you by force, then break. Okay, so no problem. So our Shastra is saying this way, Kachai na noale baas, pakai kare, tas tas. You understand? No.
Yes.
What is that, Paula?
That you can, if the bamboo is green, it's very new, you can easily bend it. But if it's old or very, already many times, and old or paka, right hand or old, if you try to bend it, it will break.
It will be break. Then nothing. So you understand which bamboo are you? Krishna Chaitanya, which bamboo are you? No, have to try to become green bamboo. Green bamboo. Good, Yeah. Then slowly bind. Understand? At a time you are, what is called? Bend, then will be hard. And Tudjaya will be break. So this proverb also saying, Kachaina namale vas, pakai kare tasta. So slowly we surrender. How to surrender to Guru and Krishna. Understand? Anukullasya sankalpa pratikulasya vivarjanam rakhisati viswasu guptiti varanam tatha atma nikhipa karpanne sarvidha saranagati. There are the 6 limbs of surrender, saranagati. Saranagati not so easy. Need also this. We are speaking high level katha, gopis katha, this is true because this is our goal. Ambition this way. But have to come in Saranagati. There are 6 limbs of Saranagati. What is that? Follow. Anukullasya sankalpa pratikulasya vivarjanam rakhisati viswasu guptiti varanam tatha atma nikhepa karpanne Saravidha Saranagati. There are 6 limbs of Saranagati. Follow. One first is what?
Anukulyasya sankalpa.
What is that?
Português.
Are Portuguese can everybody understand Portuguese?
Então existem 6 membros de Sharanagati de rendição e o primeiro deles é Anukulyasya sankalpa, que quer dizer que você aceita tudo que é favorável. Você faz um sankalpa, volta de aceitar tudo que é favorável. E aí, Pratikulyasya Vivajjanam, ao mesmo tempo...
You say, what is the Pratikulas Vivarjanam?
Means you have to reject what is unfavorable.
What is that?
This is a hard passage of Punyamagrahadana Sangashalur and Tasha Vivati overeating, overcollecting, keeping other things, bad association with Mayavadis, like endeavoring for material things.
Pratikulas Vivarjanam. And और अनुकूल संकुल प्रातिकुल विवर्जम रक्षिष्यते. Rakhishyate means Krishna is my protector. और विश्वासो गुप्तिते वर्णन that Krishna is my also maintainer. Krishna is my protector, Krishna is my maintainer. Guptite varanam, gupdhatu. Krishna, he is my protector, Krishna is my maintainer. Guptite varanam. और आत्मनिक्षेप कार्पण्य. आत्मनिक्षेप means offer yourself to Krishna. Always this and more. Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my maintainer. Atmanikhep. Atmanikhep, offer yourself to Krishna. Rakhe Hari, Mare ke, Mare Hari, Rakhe ke. Krishna protects. No one can kill to me. Or if Krishna does not protect me, who will protect me? This word, Atmanika. Karpanna means and humility, daina. These things. Amara jivana sada pape rata nahi ko punyero lesa. Hare parire udveg diyachi je kato diyachi jibera klesa. Amara jivana sada pape rata nahi ka punyero lesa. This is called daina. This is things. So karpan knowledge. Dina. So yesterday we saying Emono durmote sansara bhitare poriya achenu ami. Are tabo nijo jono কোন মহাজনে পাঠাইয়া দিলে তুমি দয়া করি মোরে পতিত দেখিয়া কহিল আমারে গিয়া দয়া করি মোরে পতিত দেখিয়া কহিল আমারে গিয়া ওহে দিন জন শুনো ভালো কথা উল্লসিত হবে হিয়া তোমারে তারিতে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নবদ্বীপে অবতার তোমারে তারিতে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য নবদ্বীপে অবতার তোমা হেন কত দিনহীন জনে তোমা হেন কত দিনহীন জনে করিলেন ভব পার সে ভেদের প্রতিজ্ঞা রাখিবার তরে রূপবর্ণ বিপ্রসূত বেদের প্রতিজ্ঞা রাখিবার তরে রূপবর্ণ বিপ্রসূত अरे महाप्रभु नामे जगत माताय महाप्रभु नामे जगत माताय संगे भाई अवधूत संगे भाई अवधूत नंद सुत जिनी चैतन्य गोसाई নিজ নাম করি দান নন্দ সুত যিনি চৈতন্য গোসাই নিজ নাম করি দান আর তারিল জগত তুমিও আসিয়া লহ নিজ পরিত্রাণ তারিল জগত তুমি আসিয়া লহ নিজ পরিত্রাণ আর সে কথা শুনিয়া আসিয়াছি না সে কথা শুনিয়া আসিয়াছি না তোমার চরণ তলে তোমার চরণ তলে আর ভকতি বিনোদ কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া আপন কাহিনী বলি ভকতি বিনোদ জয় ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর ভক্তি বিনোদ ঠাকুর ভক্তি বিনোদ This is called here Atmaniveda and complete center Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Se katha suniya asiyasi nath tomaro charane tale. Se katha suniya means is what? Bola.
Telling my own.
Se katha suniya, that means I heard this glorification of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Se katha suniya asiyasi nath. Hey Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or Krishna, I heard your glorification. Yeah, how you delivered all the sinful living entities. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Se katha suniya asiyasi nath tomaro charane tale. For this regard, I have come your lotus unto your lotus feet. So I heard your glories. Whose glories? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very humble. He is which Manjari? Kamal Manjari. And now he is saying very humble. Sekatha suniya asiyasi nath tomaro charane tale. How did you deliver Jagai, Madhai? They are very sinners, Mahapapi. Jagai, Madhai. You also deliver to them. You deliver to all the living entities. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, how they delivered all the living entities. So this is, I heard your glories. So for this I have. Sikata suniya asiyasi nath tomaro charana tale. Then Bhakati Vinod kandiya kandiya apana kahini bole. Bhakti Vinod Thakur very humble and crying and saying his own kahini. Kahini means his own story. What is his own story? What is it? I am very sinner, apart from this. This is humility. What is the song? Amaro jivano sada papirata nahi ka punya roles. This is his humility. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he did not commit any sinful activity. But he is saying, I am very fallen, wretched. And this is Amaro jivano sada papirata nahi ka punya roles. Porer udbeg diyachi je kato diyachi jivere clash. This is called Daina. Daina Atmabodhak Kirtan. You read. Daina Atmabodhak Kirtana. One is called, three types of Kirtan. One is called Daina Atmabodhak Kirtan. One is called Siddhi Lalsa Kirtan. Another what is something Bhakti Prabhu Goswami Pad, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also means. Dainavadhika Kirtan. Then Siddhi Lalsa Kirtan, this is last. Or another Biggapan Yukta Kirtan. Biggapan understand? विज्ञापन, विज्ञापन में विज्ञप्ति है, ऑफरिंग योर ओन मत्स्यवनास्ति पापादन अपराध कीर्तन, दिस टाइप है। सिद्धिलाल से हटे कवे गौरवने सुरधनी तटे हाराधे हा कृष्ण बोले, हरे कांदिया बेड़ाबो देह सुख छाड़ी नाना लता तोरु तले। लिसन कीर्तन हमारे हरिजन कवि गौरवने, हाँ कांत
कवे
बने सुरधनी तटे हाराधे हा कृष्ण बोले, हाँ कांदिया बेड़ाबो देह सुख छाड़ी कांत एवरीबॉडी बेड़ाबो देह सुख छाड़ी नाना लता तोरु तले, अभियते मागिया खाइब रसती जल, सपच गृहते मागिया खाइब सरस्वती जल। पुलिने पुलिने गड़ा गड़ी दीब, पुलिने पुलिने गड़ा गड़ी दीब करी कृष्ण कोलाहल, पुलिने सृजने प्रणति करिया मागिब कृपारले, समबासी जने प्रणति करिया मागिब कृपारले, चरण जने भेदना देखिब कइब ब्रजवासी, गौर ब्रज जने भेदना देखिब कइब ब्रजवासी, रस रूप पुरिबे नयने धामे रस रूप राधार दासी, राधार दासी। ओके, धामेर स्वरूप स्फुरिबे नयन, when that day will come I will see the transcendental धाम, धाम दर्शन, धामेर स्वरूप स्फुरिबे नयन वैव राधार दासी, then will become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Understand? This is देखिते देखिते भूली बाबा कवि निज स्थूल परिचय, दिस इज सिद्धिलाल सेकेंड है। देखिते देखिते भूली बाबा कवि निज स्थूल परिचय, देखिते देखिते भूली बाबा कवि निज स्थूल परिचय, हेरिब नयने हेरिब नंद हो नित चिदानंदमय, नम लोभी बरो विवाह भानुपुरी গোপী ভাব হইবে স্বভাব ব্রজ গোপী ভাব ভাবনা রহিবে ভাবনা রহিবে দেহ নিজ সিদ্ধ নাম নিজ রূপ সবসন নিজ সিদ্ধ দেহ নিজ সিদ্ধ নাম নিজ রূপ সবসন
রাধা কৃষ্ণ
বলি লভিব বা কবে রাধা কৃপা বলে লভিব কা কবে
প্রেম
প্রকরণ কৃষ্ণ প্রেম প্রকরণ
যমুনা
সুদিল আহরণে গিয়া বুঝিব যুগল রস যমুনা ফুলিল হরণে গিয়া বুঝিব যুগল রস
প্রেমামুগ্ধ হয়ে পাগলিনী প্রায়
প্রেমমুগ্ধ হয়ে পাগলিনী প্রায় গাইব রাধার যশ গাইব রাধার যশ না সিদ্ধিলাল and this is Braja Gopi Bhav hoibe sava. When that they will come and I will receive Braja Gopi Bhav and my mood will be spontaneous mood of Braj Gopi Bhav. Braja Gopi Bhav hoibe sava. Ana bhava na rahibe. Ana bhava means not others mood will not. Only Braja Gopi Bhav. Braja Gopi Bhav hoibe sava. Ana bhava na rahibe. Then Radha Kripa boli Lobhi Baba Kave Krishna Prema Prakaran. Krishna Prema Prakaran Dimini. And 11th mood and 5 stages. Nam, Rup, Gun, this is called 11. Mood, Bhav, or Panchadasa, 5 stages. Sravan Dasa, Smaran Dasa, Apan Dasa, Bhavapan Dasa, or Prem, Sampatti Dasa. This is called Siddhi Lalsa. Good Premanand. This is the process, step by step. Oh, now, Guru, my computer, they will be also waiting for me, I think so. No? We check. Oh.
Sampratanaatmika, Daina Bodhika, and Lalsamai.
Lalsamai. First, Daina Atmika. Then, Samprarthanatmika. Samprarthanatmika or Lalsamai. Viggapti. Matsavanasti Papadma no. Matsavanasti Papadma. What is it? Parihari Kivapi King Bruve Purushottam. This thing. Juvadenang Yatha Juvandi Juvati Yatha. So many slokas are there. What is it?
Yesterday you were saying that sloka is saying that Davati. That sloka.
Purvayada Gachitam Karma, Purvayada Gachitam Gyanam, Purvayada Gachitam Vidva. Purvang Dhavati.
This Gyana, I mean, I understand about the money coming because the money you gave or not in the previous life is coming back. But what about this knowledge coming? What is this exactly?
The exact knowledge, previous life you also acquired the knowledge, Vidya. And that is the material Vidya. Understand? One boy is very easy to develop his material life, knowledge is coming very quick. That means previous life, he acquired that knowledge. This is a symptom. Purvayada Gachita Dhanam, Purvayada Gachita Gyanam Vidya. Everything is coming. And one boy, very easy to commit of memory, remember everything. Or one but 10 times you tell, cannot speak. 1 plus 1, 2. That boy cannot. 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 3. Are you knowing 1 plus 1, 2? Huh? You understand? I don't hear the education system, I don't hear education in India. You have to learn, as like, and what is called? Multiply, no? Multiply. And 2 plus 1, 2. And in 2 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. And this is the way. And India same way. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is called this. Yeah. Understand? This thing. Nowadays, education system only is called computer. Even they say 90, what is called? 19th multiply or 19th into 6. How much? Follow. Then you take the mobile and 96 into 6. 96. But at the time of our adjustment, all these have to commit memory. All even from 1 to 20, 25 also. That is, understand these things. Now education system automatically changed. India also changed. Western have they know how they are there. Understand these things. Everything of these.
I remember the trick for the 9. Very nice trick.
What?
Like a 9 with 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 1, 18. 9 times 3, 27.
Yeah. And that is the namta, na? In our Indian, there is called this. Now they don't know. Even the educated persons, if you ask, what is the, tell to me, 19th, 19th multiply to 6. 19 के नाम था बोलो. They don't know. Even the parents also don't know what is the other. They are not learning. Everybody now is what? Computer system. And if you tell the computer brain. These are things. We also do that. You don't understand, Koda, Ganda, these things. Now, if I tell you, can understand. Father. Koda, Ganda, Budi, this. Now complete another. They will complete. They will be their own operation, no? They are ready or not? I also wrote morning. Yesterday they called me, but at that time I slept. Pardon?
It was late.
Yeah, too late. They called me. We had time. 11, about 11 to go. I think I noticed. Oh, this is not it. Oh. I know this is not good. This is good. No. rest of the